Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade tofu. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need 2 cups of dried soybeans, about 8 cups of water, and a coagulant like nigari or Epsom salt. Make sure you have a large pot, a good blender, cheesecloth, and a tofu press ready. These items are key for a smooth tofu making process. Next, let's prepare the soybeans. After soaking your 2 cups of dried soybeans in water for 8 to 12 hours, drain them. Then, blend the soaked beans with about 6 cups of fresh water until you have a smooth, creamy mixture. Carefully strain this mixture through a cheesecloth-lined colander to separate the soy milk from the akara, which is the leftover pulp. Now it's time to cook and curdle. Heat your fresh soy milk in a large pot, stirring often to prevent scorching, until it reaches about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove it from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Dissolve 2 teaspoons of your chosen coagulant in 1/2 cup of warm water, then gently stir this into the warm soy milk. You'll see the curds begin to form. Finally, let's press your homemade tofu. Carefully ladle the curds into a tofu press lined with cheesecloth. Begin by applying gentle pressure for about 15 minutes, then gradually increase the weight. Continue pressing for 30 to 60 minutes, depending on how firm you want your tofu. Once pressed, remove it, cut it, and enjoy your fresh, homemade tofu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.